Hello, my dear subscribers. This is Eugene Blin. Today I'll make a review of DAV token, DAV network. It's something about extra review. Okay, let's go. DAV is an open source software platform allowing consumers to buy or sell autonomous decentralized transportation services. DAV integrates into any autonomous vehicle, a car, drone, ship, enabling those vehicles to discover, communicate, and transact with one another using the DAV token. DAV will be a protocol that connects the vehicles and consumers, creating a decentralized transportation market. The platform provides the connection for autonomous vehicles to be able to operate in any environment, consuming services around it as needed. At the same time, it enables P2P transfer of physical goods using smart contracts without needing an intermediary, thus reducing cost to all parties involved. DAV was created as a framework of open source software. Open source hardware and a free decentralized marketplace where anyone can buy and sell autonomous transportation services using the DAV token. Buyers and sellers will use specialist smart contracts to achieve trustless cooperation for transportation services, which benefits everyone by not having to rely on a central server. Since the DAV token is required for transactions, the smart contracts guarantee financial resolution between all parties involved. Developers are encouraged to take part in the DAV network by contributing with their domain of expertise. The platform's network technology is an open source software stack with a developer UI for simple interaction, enabling a truly autonomous, fast-scaling transportation system. The first app built for the DAV ecosystem is Missions, which connects consumers looking to have packages shipped via autonomous drones. Consumers request drone services, drones then bid for those services, and trustless cooperation is engaged using the blockchain. Copter Express is the first drone partner to begin integration with DAV. Token. DAV is an ERC20 token, utility token, that will be used to incentivize the community build autonomous vehicle infrastructure and facilitate the autonomous vehicle platform. The DAV platform enables the transfer of tokens across all network groups, and all the growth of the network will benefit both consumers and provider groups. Consumers will purchase on-demand transportation of people and/or goods with DAV tokens, as well as other services that will be provided by DAV. The following is the list of providers that will be paid in DAV tokens. Vehicle providers that make their vehicles available for on-demand transport and delivery, infrastructure support providers that will offer charging, parts replacement, and docking, service providers that will provide maintenance and repair for vehicles, as well as locating and retrieving lost or damaged DAVs. Manufacturers that assemble open source DAVs. Insurance providers that offer insurance policies on demand for people, DAVs, and parcels. Arbitrators that will use smart contracts to settle disputes on issues involving damaged goods and/or proof of delivery. Software, hardware developers producing the open source platform, as well as building customized services for use on the DAV network. The public sale for DAV tokens is scheduled for April 30 to May 14th. The price set is 1 Ethereum is 10,000 DAV. The total market cap is $38 million. The token distribution. Token sale 40%, bounties and partnership 25%, long-term budget 20%, team and advisors 15 persons. Something about the team. A large team consisting of 16 members, including Noam Koppel, CEO and founder, created the world's first smartphone encryption system in 2003. It was then distributed to over 50 countries. John Fraser, CCO and co-founder, external relations lead for the Ethereum Foundation, and Joe Lopardo, CMO and co-founder, worked with companies such as Google, Oracle, Salesforce, and SAP to develop their brand and implement marketing strategies. 10 all-star advisors coming from prestigious companies such as UPS, Google, IBM, Equinix, NASA, GM, SAP, and Ethereum are also part of the team. They include Jerome Ferguson, Director of the Autonomous System at UPS, George D. Zemke, former NASA astronaut and FAA executive, and Dr. Alan Messer, CTO of Global Connected Consumer Experience at General Motors and former VP at Samsung Electronics. The complete list of the team member and advisor you can find on the site. The DAV Alliance was created for members in the autonomous vehicle field to work together, creating standards and innovations. Members include SkySense, Ashfree Dynamics, Advanced Aircraft Company, Husarion, Scorpiox Technologies, and CoX Copter Express. Strategic partners include Banker, Amazix, AUVCI, and Blockchain IL. The DAV team is also in advanced discussion with companies in the fields of robotics, drones, and automotive. That's all I wanted to tell in this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.